have made it all the way to this section, that is after creating your blog, I think there is a new section also is choosing the best settings for your blogger blog. Perfect. So let's go right into the video. Now, before you will do this, there is one thing I would want you to do. Yes. And the best thing that I would want you to do is to install an extension onto your blog, your browser. Perfect. Your browser. All right. So there is one extension I'll be using when I'm creating a blog. Yes. Or even when I'm working on other blogs. And this extension helps me to know how things are going on my blog, especially with search engine optimizations also, and also to know if certain meta tags are actually placed well on my blog. Perfect. And that extension is known as SEO meta in one click. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Chrome, that is your Chrome browser. Yes. And once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to the address bar and you're going to search for SEO meta in one click. The moment you search for that, I'm sure you're going to get that within the first section of your search results. So once you have that in your search results, yes, you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to the Chrome web store. I don't know if this extension is on Mozilla Firefox, and I'm not sure, yes, but I've only witnessed or seen this extension on Chrome. So once you see that, you're going to click on Add to Chrome. Perfect. When you click on Add to Chrome, it is going to be downloaded to your computer. Then it is going to be installed onto your Chrome browser. Perfect. So once it is installed into your Chrome browser, the next thing you need to do, that is adding the extension to your Chrome browser. Now the next thing I would want you to do is I would want you to click on the extension type. Yes, the extension side, and then I would want you to pin the SEO meta in one click to the address bar around that section. Perfect. So once you have done that, let me preview my blog again, the new blog that we just created, and then I would want to change the theme to what we had previously. That is the first thing. We will still be changing the theme in the next video. Yes. So we're going to skip the backup of it and then change it to a new theme. Then I'm going to refresh that again. Perfect. So once it has been refreshed, now I want you to take a preview of something. I'm going to click on the SEO meta in one click. Now when you click on this, this is what you're going to see from the result. Now you can see our title is perfect, our description is missing, keyword is missing, our URL and canonical is well fixed, robot tags and then author and then publisher are missing, but language is well fixed. So we are going to be fixing these problems. All right, so let's go right on to Blogger and then let's start editing our settings. Perfect. All right, so here we are on settings. So on settings, this is what I'm going to do. One, I'm going to click on description and I'm going to give the description, that you're going to give a description to your blog and describe. Yes, so describe your blog. So what is also, I've placed a description into my blog. Mostly I prefer to use 140 to 150 characters. So, and you can do that with ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do that for you. It will generate a description for you. You only tell ChatGPT what your blog is about and then it will just do that for you. Perfect. So once you are done with your description, now the next thing I would want you to do is I want you to scroll down again, and then the next one is the favicon. Yes. So for you to get a favicon, you will need an image and you convert it into a favicon. Yes, I've provided a link like this. That is any image to favicon extension. Yes, in the description box. So you're going to go to the description box and then open this link. And the next thing I want you to do is any editing software that you have. I'm using Microsoft Paint application. Yes, so I'm going to go to open Paint, just create a logo for my blog. Yes, so I'm going to be using the name. Then after that, I'm going to upload that as a choose file. Then I'm going to click on download favicons. The moment you click on download favicons, favicons is going to be downloaded onto your computer. Perfect. Once it is downloaded onto your computer, you are going to get a list of favicons. I wanted to use the favicon 64 by 64. Yes, so copy that to your document folder. Perfect. So once you have copied that to your document folder, now come back to favicon on Blogger, select file, and I want you to choose the favicon 64 by 64 ICU for your favicon. When you click on that, you will see the preview of that image, and then click on save. Now when you click on save, it is going to be added to your image. You will be asking, what is this favicon all about? What is this favicon? Now if you look at the top, you would see blogger and MYKEEDUCATE. Those is more images that you see. That is the favicon. So if you add this favicon to your blog, anytime somebody visits your blog, I'm sure within the next 2 days or within the next day, he's going to see that logo or image also around the address bar, because currently it is having blogger favicon. Yeah, so you're going to change that favicon to your personalized favicon. Perfect. Looking professional. Very, very neat and very, very nice. All right. So once you are done with that, then let's scroll down and then let's continue with the processes. All right. So all set. Now we have something where we say enable enable search description. You're going to turn that on. Yes, turn it on. Then I want you to go to the previous description that you have. Yes, the description that you added at the first section before the title. You're going to copy that, then you're going to come down again to the section which says meta tags, that is enable search description. Then you're going to paste the description over there. Then you're going to click on save. I will explain all those things to you again within our previous video, so just stay with me. All right, then I want you to enable custom robot.txt. Once it is enabled, there's a link again in the description box. I want you to visit, copy your blog link, edit it just like what I have done. Perfect. Removing the slash and then those things. And then after doing that, I want you to click on generate robot.txt. This generator that you see is on my blog. Yes, they are on my blog. Yes, so the only thing you need to do is it will provide you with some kind of a text file. So you're going to copy everything. Once you have copied all those things, come back to your blogger settings, and then I want you to paste it into the custom robot.txt section. Yes, below the enable custom robot, there is custom robot.txt. Just click on it. You'll be allowed to paste it in, and then click on save. Perfect. Then the next one is I want you to enable custom robot header tags. Yes, I want you to enable that. Once it is enabled, now I want you to do this. Click on homepage tag, take all, no DP. Perfect. Save that. Go to archive and then search pages. No index, no DP. Save. Then go to post and then pages also. All and then take no DP. Yes. So once you have done this, it is some kind of a command we are giving to search engines on how they should be moving around our blog. So if you have done all these settings, this is the best settings for every blogger user. Yes, it is the best settings you can go with if you want to optimize a blog for SEO. So far, now let's go back to our blog and then see the improvement that we have made. So I'm going to refresh, and then I'm going to use SEO Meta in one click again. All right, so we click on it. Now you can see Vision HD, title is fixed, and our description is fixed, but keyword is missing, robot.txt is missing, that is the robot tag is missing, author is missing, publisher is missing. That is it. So you're going to fix that when we are editing our blog theme. Perfect. So when you're editing our blog theme, you'll be fixing all this at once, and then we are done fixing this. Then the next videos will be on how you can create your blog post. Perfect. So you can confirm your robot.txt using the same SEO meta in one click. It works perfectly for me, and I have more extensions I'll be giving out to you whilst you're on this work. Yes, creating all those blogs and then everything. So I want you to stay with me. Trust me, you are going to enjoy these blogging tips, and then it's going to make blogging look very simple to you, especially when you're using blog. Thank you for watching.